Timothy Loehmann, the cop that killed Tamir Rice, is still trying to get his job back. I'm just so glad this court told him to get lost and he was never going back on the police force in Cleveland. And that's the way it should be. So this came out on News 5, ABC out of Cleveland. Former Cleveland police officer Timothy Loehmann won't get his job back with the Cleveland Division of Police, according to a ruling by the 8th District Court of Appeals. And this should be thrown, he should not be allowed to file any more lawsuits to get his job back, but in this society, he can. Technically, this man really should be in jail. He really should be. You killed a child. Loehmann is an officer. This is the one that killed Tamir Rice when he was 12 back in 2014. Tamir was playing with a pellet gun outside of a recreation center where some asshole called the police and it ended his life. That's not in there. I just threw it in. Loehmann was fired by the Cleveland Division of Police in 2017, more than 2 years after the fatal shooting, for lying on his application and violating other administrative policies. City officials charged Loehmann for failure to provide truthful information on his application. Officials have discovered Loehmann was in the process of being fired from his previous department for his lack of maturity. So they said he was very immature. I heard he was crying back when he was in the police academy. What kind of cop is in the police academy crying? I mean, seriously, that alone should have eliminated him from being a cop. And involvement with an emotional meltdown during a firearm training, according to Cleveland police. And that was when he was in the police academy. He had an emotional meltdown and started boohooing and crying and carrying on, all in the police academy. So that should tell you that that's not somebody's fit to be a cop. He should not have been hired. The Cleveland Police Patrolmen's Association filed an appeal on Loehmann's behalf. And, it was in regards to his termination. Mayor Frank Jackson's office released the following statement regarding the dismissal. The city of Cleveland is pleased that the court upheld its decision to terminate the employment of the former Cleveland Patrol officer, Timothy Loehmann. The city has consistently maintained throughout this process that Loehmann's termination was justified. So hopefully we don't have to listen to Timothy Loehmann's name ever again. This has been a long process and it should never have happened at all. But rest in peace, Tamir Rice. If anything, if I could trade Loehmann for you, I would. He shouldn't be here. You should be here. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.